So I know this is more than one law that would have to change in order for this to change anything. But nonetheless, we're going to call this the Felon, Gun Right, Restoration, and a Ghost Gun Crime Prevention Theory. Gonna come up with a better acronym that's a little shorter. But, so, imagine this. Let's say felons can restore their gun rights, right? Like how we can vote again. Like how after you deal with your DUI, and that's all settled, you can get your driver's license, you can drive again. You know, after you parole and you discharge your number, meaning you get off parole, meaning it's been years since you've been out or you haven't gotten in trouble, you should be able to get your rights back. You should be able to own a firearm. You should be able to protect your family. And it's not right for a lifetime ban. It's just not, and that's the bottom line. It really is a violation of the Constitution. It's essentially saying, the way they get away with it is saying that we are not the people. We are not we the people because we have committed a felony, which I think is just insane. If I'm not we the people, how can I vote? So, just a little odd. But, to get to my point, so if felons could get their rights back, think about this. Nobody wants an illegal firearm. People would love to have a legal firearm, but if you're a felon and you have to obtain one in a matter that's it's not even a gray area, a matter that's illegal, whether that's one with the serial number filed off, whether that's a ghost gun, printed or put together, 80% kit, whatever. If you could walk in and they could essentially brand your firearm, put a serial number on it, and make these guns that are otherwise legal, it's going to hold people a lot more accountable. If you're somebody and you have an illegal firearm, you're going to be a lot quicker to do something stupid with that and toss it afterwards. But if you went and got your shit, excuse my language, got a serial number put on your firearm, to make it now legal, you're gonna be a lot less likely to make that dumb decision. Even if it's a situation where you were threatened or where you are in fear, whatever, you're still going to think about it, just a little harder. So, those combinations of just a couple laws, right, can make a huge difference. Think about that accountability. Think about how many less unaccounted for firearms would be out there. That makes it harder to end up in the hands of somebody who is going to make that dumb decision. I don't want to sell my firearm to somebody, that's going to do some crazy shit with it. But if it's not registered to you, someone's going to be a lot more likely to just let that end up on the streets. Go sell it to that youngster that just wants one for whatever reason. So, that's my piece. Just had to say that. And, yeah. America.